Like I shouldn't have told you.
Well, okay, fine.
You're retarded. It says free, go for it.
It was free, that's what I said, and you got mad.
What?
It was free, and that's what I said.
Oh my god. Guess who's calling me?
Who?
Chris.
Little Jim.
Who?
The little Jim.
Answer.
Oh, fuck that, because they're gonna fucking talk to me about this.
Answer it.
I'm not answering it, then he'll leave a message. There he hung up.
Shut up.
What is he doing?
He's sticking his tongue out the camera.
I'm filming it.
Oh, you're filming it?
And it's like the mirror, so it looks like I have a huge mouth.
What?
Shit.
That looks like I'm making out myself.
Hold on, let me check real quick on my calendar what's tonight. Where?
You have to die.
Okay. On Saturday at 3 o'clock. You would please hold on a second.
My chin looks like two tits. Yeah, check out those titties.